Ayan, good morning. Ayan, baba tayo. Check natin sila. Ayan, nagre-ready sila. Going back to Ontario. Ayan. Sige. Ayan. Ayan na. Bye-bye time. Sila. Ayan na. Ito, nagre-ready na rin for breakfast. Mag-breakfast pa kayo? Ha? Yeah. Oh. But it's not, andyan yung ano nyo eh. Yung mga record nyo. Kahit hindi na daw ibigay mo ngayon. Sabi.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Taga ka, San Luis. San Luis. Alae. Oh, si daddy namin, Pangasinan. Sa Bani. Ilocano. Saan kayo, Dagupan? Tumira kami dun eh, dati. Saan ba tayo malapit sa Dagupan nun? Sa ICC malapit?
Malapit sa school na.
School?
Ano ba yun?
ICC? Immaculate Conception ba yun?
Oo, yung parang yung for women's ano mo dapat babae. Ano school yun? Catholic? Catholic. Madami po. Dominican.
Oh, Dominican. Oh, yun, tama. Nalala ko na.
Oo, Dominican nga.
Dominican. Malapit dun.
Ito mga apo ko na yan. Yung anak ko yung bunso. Lalaki. Ito yung pangalan ko ng babae. Tapos ito yung pangalan.
Ito, si ating nagtatrabaho dito. Ano pangalan niya? Emma. Ayan, si Ate Emma. Ayan. Ayan. Philcan Life. Ito to. Sige. It's okay. Yeah. Philcan Life. Yan, si Ate Emma. Shout out sa'yo.
Hello po.
Taga Pangasinan. Sige. Hello. Yeah, maybe we go for. Yeah. So, yan mga vlogs. Alis na sila. So,
Peace.
they're Ontario bound. And we're in BC bound later. No. Alright. They're leaving. Bye, Kian. Okay. Bye-bye. Ingat. Ingat, Kat.
Thanks for the
Yeah.
African.
Yeah. No problem. Just I want to see the vlog with that.
From now.
Yeah. AliExpress, we get the clip.
I'll get Amazon.
Oh. Sige. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, take care. Love you guys. Sige. Sige, kuya. Si kuya. Sige, ingat, kuya. Edgar, right? Edgar pangalan mo? Ah, Louie. Sige, ingat. Ingat.
May iwan ka pa.
Abayiwan ako. Magdarive ako, galing ako busy.
Meron pa raw isa.
May isa pa.
Ay, garad ka.
Drive kami papuntang BC. Prince George.
Medyo nakatagal-tagal.
8.5 hours.
8 to 10 years.
Dito. Cheese omelette.
Few moments later.
Ito mga vlogs, meron pang snow. Yung bundok. Ibig sabihin, mataas pa to. Parte na to. Sa iba, sa baba na bundok, wala na. Wala na snow. Ito maraming ano sa Columbia Icefield. Tubig pa rin. Maraming camping. Ganda oh. Dahil sa rest area. Mga tayo dito kumain. Laki. Ano? Picturesque. Like, ito dito yung ano, magbayad dun sa mga skywalk. Yung mga mountain road. Sculpture.
2,000 years later.
Hi mga vlogs, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kasama kayo naroon. Dito tayo sa Ramada Hotel. Order tayo ng meron tayong ano macchiato. Meron tayong 686 bigay ng kumpanya na oh thank you. So bili tayo ng caramel macchiato. Are you in line? Oh, okay. Yeah. In line daw siya. Do you guys have caramel macchiato?
Yep.
Okay. The large one?
Grande caramel macchiato.
Yeah. That's it.
It's grande caramel. Got it, man.
Thank you. Macchiato. Tayo sa Ramada Hotel. Luma na tong hotel na to eh, pero ni-renovate nila. Ang ganda daw yung mga rooms. Sabi nung ex-boss ko na dito siya nag-i-stay. Every time napupunta siya rito galing Victoria. So, yan, ganda, malinis. Okay. Yung sa elevator nila. Tapos merong ano ata ron. Party room. What's in here? Oh, may liquor store. ATM dito. Ito may hangout area. Tapos may mga ano ata dyan. May restaurant dyan, alam ko. Parang Japanese restaurant. Ano pala yun? Sa Coast Inn, yung Japanese restaurant. Yung caramel macchiato natin. Ito natin. Libre ng kumpanya. Salamat po. Sarap ng caramel macchiato. May pait-pait na tamis-tamis na konti. Na tama lang. Walang mga strong flavor. Tama lang, katamtama. Yan. Yan nandito. Graffiti, Savage Love, Shoe Repair. Yan ang downtown. Yung Shoe Repair. Ito yung pastry chef bakery, sarado. Wala na ata. Hindi na ata sila nagbukas. Ewan kung bakit nagsara. Dito tayo. The Firm Lounge and Grill.
2,000 years later.
Try natin bilhin tong blood sauce. Only $6.99. Steel Trucker Cup. Yan, maganda itsura. Yan, magandang klase siya, ka-vlogs. Steel cup. Ganda yung kulay din. How's it going, man? Yeah.
Live
Long
yan?
time. Huh?
Live?
No, it's not live. It's recorded.
Kumusta?
Nice lang.
Karating mo lang trabaho?
Yeah.
Diretso?
Kanina pa, 4 o'clock na natapos. First time in Calgary.
Drumheller.
Yeah, Drumheller.
And then you went, after Drumheller, you went to Lake Louise kagad? Or?
That's the next day, yeah. Drumheller was the full day.
Yeah.
And then,
Hindi pumasok sa ano, sa museum? Mahal, no?
Mahal, tayo. We just went to the...
Yeah, the path.
The path, yeah.
Ulus.
Yeah. So, I did my drone there.
Yeah.
Nag-drone ako dun eh. And it was good.
No, I'll see in your thing. Just post it.
Pero hindi ko pa na ano eh.
Okay.
Na-post yun eh.
No,
So,
I'll wait.
yeah.
And then,
Kinain namin mga vlogs eh. Parehas kami. Pero sa kanya, chicken. Yan, si Ben. Hero the vlog, Ben. Been my friend for more than 20 years now, I think. Right? Since 90s?
mid-90s, early 90s?
Early 90s, yeah. Since Humber days. Humber College days. Yan. Si Ben Jenat, ito mo, since early 90s sa Humber days namin, magkakilala na kami yan eh. So sila, yan, shoutout kay Jamie, Larkin Fernandez. Yan, andito si Ben Jenat. Si Larkin Fernandez nag-message sa akin sa YouTube. Sabi, bro, nag-YouTube ka pala. Sabi niya. Good. So shoutout sa iyo Larkin Fernandez at saka kay Jamie Olaso.
We're here at Prince George.
We're here at Prince George, Northern BC.
Northern BC.
Yeah.
We're the two outsiders from Ontario.
Yeah, 80,000 people. Like it's all transient. Hindi nagbabago, hindi tumataas, hindi bumababa. It's like 10 years ago it was still 80,000 and now it's still 80,000. Maraming lumilipat, maraming umalis.
Di ako nakatuloy dito, taga-Calgary ako.
Yan, taga-Calgary siya. Calgary is it's a bigger place, so
Bigger city.
Bigger city. Yeah, it's like all the amenities are there. So mahal ba yung property tax mo? It's okay.
Dependent sa size.
So yeah, like and subscribe. Yeah, mga vlogs. Almost 30 years ago now.
Wow, you got lots. This is like a
Django.
Echo, turn on modem light.
Ay, Django.
no, it's like a green. Ano tawag doon? Greenhouse.
Greenhouse.
Mga ano niya, may mga alaga niya.
Nice. No, I'm not.
Tapos alaga din niya mga pusa.
Oh,
Ayun.
that's good.
Yeah.
Buti matyaga ka.
Ano yan eh, binigay sa amin dahil nakita daw sa parking lot eh.
Nagdadrive ako, madaming ang ano eh. Aso na sa road eh. Kasi pwede ko kunin to ah.
Laki eh.
Lucky yeah. You have to be healthy. If you're not healthy, then
Yeah.
you need a walker soon.
Ayan.
Tinakpan mong chair.
Yan. Tayo. Si Ben from Calgary. Used to be from Toronto. Yan. My long-time friend from Ontario. Yan. Ben Jenat. Sa galing pang Calgary Ram 2500. I'm sure. What year is this? It's pretty new eh. Oh, yun yung mga equipment mo. Parang dyan ka na nag-opisina din pala. Lahat to. Ayan yung workplace niya oh. Ayos. It's nice. Dapat may bed ka rin dito pala.
Pwede din.
Lagay ka ng cot.
Cot.
Yeah. What's this for?
Ay, ano, kasi may stuff sa baba.
Mm.
So, baka lumipad. So, walking.
So, anong title mo?
Well, service technician.
Service.
Service. My inventory, my desk, chair, computer, my gas.
Ayan.
Gas, rent.
Ano ka, hourly or sa salary?
Salary na.
Salary, oh, okay. That's nice. Pares pala tayo.
Yeah.
Annual. Kaya,
They were fixed.
yeah, it's fixed.
So when there's no overtime, but there's bank time.
Bank time, oh, okay.
Bank
Oh,
time,
good.
so I get probably I'm gonna request 2 more days extra for my vacay.
Yeah. Time and a half yung bank time sa overtime.
Yeah. So they were, it's okay kasi overtime goes to tax. So
Yeah,
rather have personal time.
that's true. Sige, Ben.
Ingat, thank you again. Until next time.
Yeah.
Until next time. You
Yeah.
get everything
Okay.
and get well.
Yeah, I know.
Get well. Get you know.
I know, get
We
fit.
need to lose weight.
Yeah, exactly. PG can make you go do like this, man.
Basta keep YouTubing.
He's gonna be driving towards Calgary tomorrow, towards Banff tomorrow morning. Yeah, 4:30. So ingat, Ben, and we'll see you. Just keep YouTubing. Yeah. All right.